Hello friends, I'm Nagraj. Welcome to All in One. Today I'm going to tell you about how to check Aadhaar and PAN link status through online. Let's get started.
Open Google Chrome or any other web browser. Go to the Income Tax e-filing portal. Select the first one. On the home page, select Click Links, then click on the Link Aadhaar status. Now you will see two fields where the taxpayer needs to enter PAN and Aadhaar number. Fill those two fields and click on the View Link Aadhaar status. Following this, a pop-up message will be displayed on the screen. PAN not linked with Aadhaar. Thank you for watching.